Mix 100 grams sorghum flour, 100 grams of atta flour with 400 grams wheat flour in a bowl and add water. Use your hands to mix. As it thickens, knead into a ball. Sprinkle flour on flat surface. Use rolling pin to flatten dough. Add cooking oil to the flattened dough paste. Use hands to evenly spread oil. Take the end and carefully roll. Take a knife to evenly cut into section pieces. Press center of each section piece, turn and flatten. Repeat with all pieces. Use rolling pin to flatten all sections to prep for each chapati. Light the fire, add the chapati to the heated pan and carefully turn with your hand. Use a spoon to carefully add margarine or oil while turning the chapati in a hot pan. Continue turning chapati, adding layers as desired. Flip chapati in the pan, place hot chapati in a plate. Fresh sorghum chapati ready to eat.